ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
हाय, आता आपण या आपल्या अबॅकसच्या क्लासमध्ये गुरुपौर्णिमेचं छोटंसं सेलिब्रेशन करणार आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये जे अबॅकसचे सगळे मुलं आहेत ते आपल्या गुरुविषयी त्यांचं मत मांडणार आहे. तर सगळ्यात पहिले सुरुवात करूया हिमाक्षीपासून.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Hinakshi Hemantapowde. I like to speak about Guru Purnima. Guru means teachers and Purnima means a full moon day. Guru Purnima is celebrated as full moon day. Guru Purnima celebrated mostly in Hindus. Wish you all happy Guru Purnima and especially to my all teachers. Thank you.
Hi. Firstly, I would like to greet everyone. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Samruddhi Wagh, and here I am going to speak a few lines about Guru Purnima. Yeah, so Guru Purnima is celebrated mostly in Hindus, and it is the honor, we give the honor to our gurus from celebrating the Guru Purnima festival. It is very nicely celebrated in Hindu families and Hindu religions. Guru Purnima is one of the most celebrated and most known festival among Hindu and Hindu families. The Guru Purnima festival is very special because we honor Guru and we respect Guru, and from Hinduism we are showing that Guru is most important person in the life of any student, of any person. So I will like to end my speech with a small shloka of Guru Purnima. So yeah, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namah. Thank you.
My name is Karthi Hemantapowde. I wish you all very happy Guru Purnima. सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार. माझं नाव आहे मानवजी पटेल. मी इयत्ता 3री मध्ये शिकतो. आपण आज गुरुपौर्णिमा हा सण साजरा करतो होतो. सर्व भारतातील गुरुपौर्णिमा सण साजरा केला जातो. आई वडील माझे पहिले गुरु. जीवनाचे शिक्षण तिथे झाले सुरू. दुसरे गुरु माझे शिक्षक. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णू गुरुर्देव महेश्वर सद्गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Mayank Vikas Patil. Greetings of Guru Purnima. Guru means teacher. Not only gives us knowledge but also directs us with the right path and leads our life. We should always obey and respect our gurus. And not only on the Guru Purnima, we should always obey our Guru on every day. I wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you. And again, we wish you all a very happy greetings of Guru Purnima.